Hello guys, welcome back. Today we will talk about how to remove background from an image in easily two steps. Number one is go to here, remove bg. There is a website on the top, you can see remove.bg. Okay, you can find a lot of websites, but I like the most it, and I'm using this from a long time. So click here, simply click here and upload an image. Okay, you can click here and you can go to desktop, and here is new folder. Let's say this is my image. Okay, I will click. It will take a little bit time. Okay, the maximum file size is 12 MB. You cannot upload an image which size is more than 12 MB. So I will go here and drag and drop another image here, and you can drag and drop simply here, and look, it is uploading, processing, and download. I will click download and the image is being downloaded. So I will check here, open here, and will show you the result. So you can see the result, and I will open the original image here. Look at this. This is the original one and this is the updated one. So the image has been removed from here. So I will upload another image and remove background from here, a cute image of mother and a child. So look at this. Look at this amazing image. Amazing. Look, look. And I am opening here a new image, an original image here, and also watch. Look, this is the original image and this is the updated image. Look at this. You can change the background, then you can remove the background and make your own background here. So this is an amazing website. You can go to here, remove.bg, and will upload a image and then download. Simple two steps method. You can remove image from your you can remove background from your image. Thank you for watching.